Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a mascara that promises volume, thickness, and that all-important curl, then you've probably heard of Maybelline's Great Lash. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this mascara actually does and see if it's worth adding to your makeup bag. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews just like this one. Now let's talk about the Maybelline Great Lash Lots of Lashes Washable Mascara. This mascara has been around for years and it's still going strong. Known for its volumizing, thickening, and curling properties, it's formulated to deliver maximum volume with just a few strokes. The main selling point here is the unique heart-shaped custom curl brush, which is designed to lift and curl each lash individually. If you're someone who loves the look of full, fanned-out lashes, this could be your new go-to product. So, how does it perform in real-world testing? Well, I've had the chance to use it for a few weeks now, and I have to say, this mascara really delivers. The formula is smooth and easy to apply, gliding on without clumping. I've tested it in both my morning routine and throughout the day, and it holds up surprisingly well. The heart-shaped brush is especially great for getting into the inner corners of the eyes without smudging or making a mess. When it comes to volume, I definitely noticed a difference. My lashes look thicker and more defined, which I loved. As for curling, it does a decent job, although I'd say it's not as dramatic as some of the higher-end mascaras I've tried. That said, it still gives a nice, natural lift and makes lashes look more open and awake, which is perfect for an everyday look. And for those who wear contact lenses, this one is ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe and gentle on the eyes. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is buildable, so you can layer it to get as much volume as you want. The brush is fantastic for precision, and it doesn't flake or smudge throughout the day. Plus, it's hypoallergenic, which is a big plus for those with sensitive eyes. On the downside, if you're looking for extreme curl or a super dramatic look, you might need to look elsewhere. The mascara is great for a natural, everyday look, but it may not give you the intensity you're after if you prefer bold lashes. As far as value for money goes, I'd say this mascara is a solid choice for the price. It's an affordable option that delivers quality without breaking the bank. If you're looking for high-end mascara performance without the high-end price tag, this is definitely worth considering. If you're comparing it to other mascaras on the market, it holds its own in terms of volume and definition. There are certainly more high-tech formulas out there with fancy ingredients and lash-building technologies, but for the price point, Maybelline's Great Lash does an excellent job. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and the formula is long-lasting, so I don't have any complaints there. It's a pretty straightforward mascara, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. And since it's washable, it comes off easily with makeup remover, which is always a plus for me. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer support for this mascara, but Maybelline is a trusted brand that typically handles customer inquiries well, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Now, if you're on a budget and need a more affordable mascara, there are some good alternatives out there that offer similar results. But if you're okay with spending a little more, there are high-end mascaras that might provide even more volume and length. To wrap up, Maybelline's Great Lash Lots of Lashes Washable Mascara is a solid pick for anyone looking for a natural, yet voluminous lash look. It's easy to use, comfortable to wear, and doesn't break the bank. If you're after dramatic lashes, it may not be the mascara for you, but if you want an everyday go-to, it definitely fits the bill. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.